This video is to demonstrate how to remove rusty screw from the concrete wall. The broken rusty screw can be easily found in the toilet and kitchen area, where these areas are highly humid and therefore the screw do get rusty easily. The picture shows the typical rusty screw with or without the head. If you engage a contractor to do it, most of the time they will probably drill a new hole and cover the broken screw with white cement, putty or silicone, as this is the simplest way to do it and fast. However, it leaves ugly marks on the wall tile. Can you do it if you want to use the original hole without drilling a new one? Yes, of course it can, if you continue watching this video, and I am going to show you how. No drilling or hammering is needed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. I am going to show you how to remove the rusty screw from the concrete wall with little effort and simple tools. What you need to have: a soldering iron, a small wire cutter, as well a Phillips screwdriver. That's all you need. As I said earlier, no drilling or hammering. So let's start. First, prepare the soldering iron. You may need to get an extension cord run from outside the toilet or kitchen to inside the toilet or kitchen. Due to this area being wet, please be careful and try not to get in contact with water. Otherwise, you will get electrocuted. So, don't be sorry. Please handle this with extra care. Wrap the socket in the plastic bag to minimize the risk of getting into contact with water. Place the soldering iron on the broken screw for about 10 minutes. This depends on how powerful your soldering iron is. If you have a good high power soldering iron, it will take less time. If you have a low power soldering iron, it may take longer time. The idea of doing this is to heat up the screw so that the plastic insert will soften, and then you can screw out or pull out the screw using the wire cutter. So I'll leave the soldering iron there for 10 minutes and return. So now it's already 10 minutes. Let's try to remove the rusty screw. Use the wire cutter plier and grab the screw tightly and try to turn the screw. It should be able to turn the screw out of the hole as shown in the picture. What would happen if the screw did not turn? Perhaps you may need to hit the screw for a little bit longer until you can turn the screw. If you have a new screw, you may use a stainless steel screw to prevent rust. If you don't, you may use the ordinary Phillips screw. I have replaced the screw with a stainless steel. To further protect the screw from rust, you may consider to apply some silicone on the screw. This will help to prevent moisture coming into contact with the metal parts, which in this case is the stainless steel screw. This will prevent the screw from getting rust. Don't worry about the silicone. You can easily remove the silicone using a penknife. This is the end of the video. Remember to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you for watching.